Welcome to the channel, guys. Today's project is a must-do. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button. It really motivates me to keep bringing you more genuine airdrop content. Friends, this is about the DePIN Alliance project, a powerful initiative you absolutely need to be part of. You can check out their X account for tons of updates and info about DePIN Alliance. Now, why am I strongly suggesting this project? It's not just because there's a referral link, it's because I truly believe you should be part of the DePIN Alliance movement. This project is backed by none other than the U2U network, which has massive potential in the long run. Their Telegram account is also active. They post regular updates there. This project has been around for about 8 months. And I know some of you might be thinking, is it too late? Will I still get the airdrop? My answer is yes. The project link is shared in our Telegram channel. Check the description below. Now, once you open the link, here's what you'll see. The process is really simple. Just mine and earn points, that's it. Head to the mission section and complete all the tasks. Each mission gives you points, and you can use those points to buy mining power in the shop to increase your mining speed. Also, don't forget the check-in section, super important. Check in every single day. It boosts your level and increases your mining speed. Now comes the exciting part, the world map section. Enter the daily combo and complete all the games. You can earn up to 2.7 million points daily. That's a massive boost to your rank. Guys, don't worry. I will give combos daily in our Telegram channel. Again, guys, the active users are very few right now. This is the best time to jump in and earn a solid airdrop. From the settings menu, you can also connect your wallet. So when DePIN Alliance gets listed, you'll be ready to claim your rewards. Also from the leaderboard section, you can track your own rankings. As for me, my rank is nearly 50, since I've been doing this consistently for the past few months. But trust me, you can reach under 2,000 rank easily within 2 to 3 months. Just stay consistent, and don't skip your daily mining and claiming. Guys, making these videos takes time and effort, and sometimes when the views are low, it can feel frustrating. But your support, even just one like, really pushes me to keep sharing these legit opportunities. If you have any doubts, feel free to drop a comment. I'll reply or DM me directly in our Telegram group. The link's in the description below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.